Okay, class. In the previous lesson, we introduced agriculture in Rwanda, where we defined agriculture and identified two major branches of agriculture. We also briefly talked about subsistence cultivation in Rwanda, and we mentioned crops which are grown under subsistence cultivation. So this time let us look at types of subsistence cultivation in Rwanda. Types of subsistence cultivation in Rwanda. Number one, we have smallholder farming, market gardening, and horticulture. Horticulture, market gardening, smallholder farming. Let's begin with smallholder farming. This is a form of agriculture where the farmer operates on a small piece of land. As the word small suggests, here the farmer operates on a small piece of land. And the farmer grows specific crops in a given season, usually for home consumption. You may wonder why this smallholder farming is practiced in Rwanda. It's because Rwanda is overpopulated, there is high population density, and this leads to shortage of land, and therefore most of the farmers resort to this smallholder farming. There is also a problem of land fragmentation. Most of our farmers in Rwanda own different small pieces of land, many pieces of land in scattered or in different areas, which does not allow land consolidation. Land consolidation is the opposite of land fragmentation. So because our farmers in Rwanda possess small and many pieces of land in different areas, it keeps on promoting smallholder farming. You check on this farmer. She is a smallholder farmer in Rwanda growing bananas on a small piece of land for home consumption. Let's look at market gardening. This involves growing of vegetables, flowers, and fruits, and it is always practiced near urban centers because these ones are perishable, they are very fragile, they need ready consumption. Check this picture here, it indicates a market garden where the vegetables, flowers, or fruits may be grown. Have market gardening areas in Rwanda or areas where market gardening is practiced. We have Kigali City around there, Rwamagana, Musanze, Rubavu, and Nyamata areas. Thank you.